Thank you. It is very important that for the community of the indigenous people to progress, it is very important that we respect our Samajpatis. Hence, there is no election ahead. I just thought it is very important for me to re-meet with all the Samajpatis and listen to their views, because no solution can go ahead without the involvement of our community leaders and our leaders from the seniors and the public.
Sir, the elections results are going to come very soon, and there are apprehension that there may be violence. Since you know about the history of Tripura, in that, what is your message to everyone?
I think that people should just avoid nonsensical things like violence, because we are in 2023. The whole world is going ahead, and we are indulging in violence which actually hurts the society. It's it's so sad and so sorry. Why do good people don't enter politics? Because we see such mafias and goons running amok. I would request the state government and the opposition leaders to all come together and stop any sort of violence on the sector.
This community leader concept is nothing new. It's a very old concept, and there are also initiatives being taken to codify the community rules. How do you see the prospect, and why it is?
How do you codify it if you don't listen to the point? Most important thing is the community leaders' economic condition has to be improved, and they have to be given legitimacy. You can only give them legitimacy and give them improve the economic condition once you engage with them. So I am of a clear opinion that the community leaders should be given economic upliftment immediately, and along with it give social and legal legitimacy.
How do you see the results of Tiprasa if the results are going to come?
I am very hopeful we'll win. I am very confident that we'll win, and I have given it my best shot. This is the first regional party to have fought an election on their own after TUGS in 1977. I was, this is the first time, I think, after 3 generations, people are seeing Anchalik party fighting a contest on their own to win. And we have done it. I have given it my best shot. My leaders have given it the best shot. We have sacrificed our personal posts and chairs to get a good result. And now I am sure the people will respond. I have done my duty. And now it's all up to God and definitely up to the vote.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Daniel Kaipeng. Oh, yeah. All good? Public election के बाद
Maharaj,
all up to Pathir.
Maharaj, you will be leaving today?
No, I'm here. I'm not leaving with you. You lost more weight. Sleep. You want to come in?